Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In Java, the read-write-lock interface provides a way to manage access to a shared resource with separate read and write locks. This allows multiple threads to read the resource concurrently while ensuring exclusive access for writing. The read-write-lock interface is implemented by the reentrantreadwritelock class. ### Key concepts. 1. Read lock. Multiple threads can hold the read lock simultaneously, which allows concurrent read access. However, no thread can hold the write lock when any thread holds the read lock. 2. Write lock. Only one thread can hold the write lock at a time. If a thread holds the write lock, no other thread can hold either the read or write lock. 3. Fairness. The reentrantreadwritelock can be constructed with a fairness policy. If set to true, the locks will favor granting access to threads in the order they requested it. ### Implementation steps. 1. Create an instance of reentrantreadwritelock. 2. Use readlock and writelock methods to obtain the respective locks. 3. Use lock to acquire the lock and unlock to release it. ### Code example. Below is a simple example that demonstrates the use of reentrantreadwritelock in a shared resource scenario. ### Explanation of the code. 1. Shared resource class. This class contains a reentrantreadwritelock and a shared resource, an integer. It has two methods, read resource, for reading the resource, and write resource, int value, for writing to it. 2. Locking. In read resource, we acquire the read lock before accessing the resource and release it afterward. In write resource, int value, we acquire the write lock before modifying the resource and release it afterward. 3. Threads. A writer thread writes values from 0 to 4 to the shared resource. A reader thread reads the current value of the resource 5 times. 4. Thread scheduling. The sleep calls simulate time taken for reading and writing, allowing us to observe the behavior of the locks in action. ### Conclusion. Using reentrantreadwritelock allows for more efficient read access when compared to using a standard lock, especially in scenarios where reads are more frequent than writes. This implementation ensures that the shared resource is safely managed across multiple threads, providing both concurrent read access and exclusive write access.